Performing their 2016 program, Isn't It Wonderful? SAPA is proud to present Hoover High School Varsity.
Don't you just love it?
Love what?
Tiffany's.
Your way. To see the world, there's such a lot of world to see. The same rainbows and waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and there's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and me.
Isn't it wonderful?
From Hoover, Alabama, Hoover High School Varsity, under the direction of Adrian Fitzpatrick. Staff includes Adrian Fitzpatrick, Trisha Mantu, Ethan Marcus, Chad Bergstresser, and Emily Coppage.